In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Dropbox. We'll move step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. To start, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account whose email address you want to change. You should see your main Dropbox home dashboard with your files and folders. Next, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or initials there. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage things like your personal details, security, and of course, your email address. On the settings page, you'll be on the General tab. Here, find the section that shows your current email address. Right next to it, you'll see an option to edit. Click on Edit next to your email. A small window or panel will open, guiding you through the email change process. When you're ready to proceed, click on Continue. Dropbox will now ask you to verify that it's really you making this change. You'll see a field where you need to enter a 6-digit code. Click into that 6-digit code field, but don't type anything just yet. Leave that window open. Now, open a new tab and go to your email provider, such as your Gmail inbox, or whichever email service you use for your Dropbox account. In your inbox, look for a new email from Dropbox containing a verification code. Open that message, then find the 6-digit code inside the email and copy it. Go back to your Dropbox settings tab, where that 6-digit code field is still waiting. Paste or type the code into the field. Once Dropbox accepts the code, it will ask you to set a password or confirm your password settings. When you see the option to send an email about setting a password, click Send Email, even if you already have a password on your account. As soon as Dropbox gives you the option, click on I've set a password to confirm you're ready to continue. Now you'll see two fields, one for your new email and one to confirm it. Click into the New Email field and type the new email address you want to use. Then, in the Confirm Email field, type the same address again to make sure there are no typos. When both fields match and you're happy with the new address, click on Update Email. Dropbox will process the change, and your account will now be associated with your new email address.